fun because we are 3D printing. So heads up, we're gonna do two types of 3D printing today. We're gonna 3D print on the actual machines, which we're gonna make some objects, and then you guys are gonna use the 3D printing pens to create things on sheets of paper. Today, everybody is going home with a 3D printing of your name, okay? Yeah, ooh. You see that blue work plane? That work plane mirrors the 3D board, okay? You are going to design your name in this work area. So every table has a bunch of construction paper. And so what I want you to do right now is draw what you want to make with your 3D pen.